Letter name, O. O is a vowel. It has more than one sound. One sound of O is ah, like olive. Ah. The dog is on the box. Another sound of O is O, like open. O. Oh, no. O, phone. The third sound of O is like up. Mother. Son. We say ouch when we get hurt. OU and OW usually make this sound ow, like ouch. Ow, house. Ow, down. But watch out. OW makes the ow like ouch sound, as in down. It also makes the O like open sound, as in snowy. And watch out, OU makes the ow like ouch sound, as in house. The oo like uber sound, as in you. And the like up sound, as in country.